Today I'm speaking to Mike Rosenstrike, Chairman of HLX Resources. HLX is focused on finding copper in the Cobar region of New South Wales. Mike, welcome.
Thank you, Colin.
HLX recently announced a capital raising for up to 2.3 million. How will these funds be used?
That 2.3 will predominantly go to drill testing. We have actually for several years been working on regional data sets, generating new targets, hoping to make a new discovery, and we've recently turbocharged that with the application of some old geophysical techniques in a novel way. And that has really turbocharged the target generation and definition. It saved us a lot of money on drilling. But now is the time, in May, with these funds, to go out and test those targets. Do those red blobs mean copper deposits? And particularly the red blobs that we've been writing about in and around our Camballigo mineral resource and along the Rochford copper trend. So that's a very exciting progression for us.
Now it's an entitlement offer, very much focused on an existing shareholder base. Can you maybe talk about the structure of this offer and I guess why it was chosen over a placement?
I'm really glad that you picked up the comment about focused on existing shareholders, and that's what an entitlement offer is all about. It's giving existing shareholders first opportunity, priority to participate in the offer. And so what we've structured is that for every 3 shares that a shareholder has today or at the record date, they will be entitled to 1 new share with an attached option. So for every 2 new shares, there will be 1 free attached option to go with it. We've priced that at 0.3%, and so with the free attached half option, we've really strive to make it attractive to our existing shareholders in the first place. Why that instead of a placement? I think placements are really important and positive when you want to refresh the register, you want to bring horsepower to the register. But I don't think we need to do that at the moment. And existing shareholders get annoyed by it because they always feel that they're second ranking, that they've been put behind. Quite often there's nothing in a placement for existing shareholders, or there's a bit of a token SPP or some sort of offer like that. In this case, we've lined up our existing shareholders right at the front. They've got first crack. They can support this copper discovery on a first priority.
Now Mike, the offer price is at a significant discount to your last closing price.
Yes, it is. And the point is that the offer is made to existing shareholders. And so we're giving existing shareholders the benefit of that price. We want to entice them to participate. So the offer it's non-dilutive to those shareholders that take up their rights, and we hope that this price will incentivise them to do this.
Mike, please explain the rights that shareholders will receive and what they can do with them.
At the record date, which will be in a couple of days from today, all of the people on the register will receive 1 right for every 3 HLX shares they hold to subscribe for a new HLX share at 0.3%, as we talked about. And attached to every new share that they apply for is half an option. And that option has got a strike price of 0.6 cents and a 3-year term. So there's value in that. Now what they can do is they will be assigned their rights. They can hold them and then exercise them to participate in the offer, or they may sell them on the market because those rights will trade on ASX, buyers and sellers willing. And so people can just take money off the table and sell their rights, or they may want to buy more rights. But that's an interesting aspect of this structure for those people. And another aspect is new investors who have been following the story, maybe hoping for a cheap placement, they can buy rights on the market as well. And so we can attract perhaps more genuine investors interested in the story to come on the register.
Finally, Mike, what is the significance of the $1.5 million underwriting?
It's significant because it assures us of going drilling. The underwriting aspect is funds that are virtually assured to flow to the company from people that are supportive of the story and who are prepared to take the risk that the entitlement offer is not entirely taken up.
With this capital raising and drilling planned for May, it certainly is exciting times for HLX Resources. All the best, Mike, with the capital raise, and where should shareholders go to if they want to participate?
Thanks. I agree. It is an exciting time. We're right on the cusp of testing these targets, and that's about new discoveries. I really encourage shareholders who are on the register or who are interested in buying rights to have a look at the material that we've released recently, and they'll see the build-up, the technical build-up. But it's really important that existing shareholders check their details through the share registry, visit our website for the latest announcements, contact Atomic to make sure their contact details are up to date. And if they have any questions, they're very welcome to contact us through our Investor Hub or directly to the office on the telephones which are on our website.
Thanks very much for your time today, Mike.
Thanks for the opportunity, Colin. Appreciate it.